Good morning to you, my awesome friend from Pakistan, Islamabad. Good morning to you from Islamabad, Pakistan. It's raining outside. I hope you're having a wonderful day. It's raining outside. This is my backyard and lawn. I want to show you something about lawn. This is our lawn. This is fruit trees. This tree down there is orange. Orange. These are orange trees. Then there you see sweet trees. These trees are peaches. I hope you are. Good morning to you, my awesome from Islamabad. Good morning to you, my awesome from Islamabad, Pakistan. I hope you have a wonderful day. Today, my topic, I'm to talk about self-respect. I'm Ahmed Khan. You take good care of your family and friends. It's raining in Islamabad right now. It's heavily raining right now in Islamabad, Pakistan. This Islamabad is it's made like European. The weather here is like in an European city. It rains here. Basically, it rains a lot in Islamabad, Pakistan. I'm Ahmed Khan, signing out. Go Tiger! You take good care of your family and friends. I'm Ahmed Khan. Go Tiger! Welcome to my friends to my YouTube channel. I'm Ahmed Khan, signing out. You have a wonderful day. For my awesome fan from United States of America, welcome to my channel. You please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. I'm Ahmed Khan. Go Tiger! Signing out.